Kulish pun fibro, kejeng tip nam ta ki result ki ba penmi hu pratarik bat khandai tarik jom na Julai ting ba ke Mpsc Meghalaya Public Service Commission tiang ni pej mentai ki result ki ba penmi kane ka ba penmi khandai tarik Julai ka result of the interview for the post of programmer contractual basis in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission Shillong March 2023 conducted by the Commission on 25 June 2024 is hereby declared ki conduct ya ka interview absent June. The name of the successful candidate Kilong Sri Lambok Lang H Nong Siang napok khas jaintia abad Srimati Hanna Lin Dibra Sangma napok Garo category. And the hangde pada kane lapan mi Father July nam ta kane ka result kane ka screening test mo ka ba ka exam kane result of the screening test to the post of forest ranger under the office of principal chief conservator of forest and head of forest 4 September 2023 kane ka post pen mi hodu September arjar apply held on 30 March ka exam ki penlong live putrik March arjar psau is hereby declare ten mar bakare dang tangka written test screening test tekne na ai roll number tekne roll number ke qualify 3 16 18 te sa pulih hing tu roll number jong la dehi phila ban check roll po official website mpsc.nic.in nam ta kiro nombar nam ta ban yo download biang gineru te la pa yang no kiro nombar ai nyu fa asau sau an rulai ru asau ru nyu khandai nyu ru we prasau nyu syajar khandai arpo san asau pusan khada asau san khada asau nyu khada nyu riu te phila ban post ru ban page kiro nombar khalai khandai we khasau not ar terter and here besapo kandukasan kandukat pra po ar hadu ar iwe saunyo runbar do ar iwe saunyo negri pe qualify nam taka mains examination kandando ka mains examination dan sudan sa interview te kasarik jong ka mains examination kinsa pentip hadin bedel ling ba official website te kiba qualify nam ta kane kin haban prekhrep ha bat kin haban page na po official website nam ta tarik jongka main examination the sakoi biang kane bade the result of the screening test to the post of forest ranger under the office of principal chief conservator of forest head of forest force kate arjar fly kane bade April 2018 laga jong mo gemde riju the exam jokane held on the 6th April 2024 is hereby declared Tegine ki number ki belong qualify tekin hapoi saya ka mains examination tegine ro ki number dap ahing tu san ru hanyo san reply spa sao spa reu spa sau price spa prapanyo khandai po asan yo kwa ban page ha ki lawan post ru ban page ki ro number lai spa sau spa lai spa praplai ter sos posopo lai san nyon reu ru san prapo tega tarik nam ta ka main examination ru kan debi kumju kin sa pentip ilang ba official website te kibal qualify kin haban penkhre bahano kala ban mi hakono no por nam ta ki tarik jongka main examination and sakawai part kan debde the result of the written examination for a post of Statistical Officer under the Director of Sericulture and Weaving Department of Textile Meghalaya, Shillong, December 2020, held on 30 May 2024. Penlong exam pada live putrik me arjab sau is hereby declared omdon weru candidate uba qualify nam taka personal interview. Te tangine hi ki result ki penmi apo Mpsc te itu kibala qualify nam ta kane forest ranger gidan artali ki forest ranger te sa check by number yo qualify lang bro artali kane de arjar khat pra ba kane ko way bede kade arjar arfly te sa check ki number jong phi bar sa up biang se notice tarik exam nam ta ka mains examination etangini ki jong tip please one